From the inlet guide vane, the air reaches the high-speed rotating impeller, which imparts kinetic energy by its centrifugal force. The accelerated air is then changed into pressure by the diffuser and collected efficiently by the scroll. The air, which is heated to a high temperature at the time of compression, is cooled by an intercooler. And then goes through a second compression stage, an intercooler, followed by a third compression stage and an aftercooler. This method of increasing the pressure at several stages enables efficient compression and cooling action until the air is discharged from the compressor outlet.